Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. It's a wonderful day. At the moment it's still cold, so I got my stove on. And what are we gonna do today? Well, today I'm gonna do maintenance on my son, his Bmw S1000R. It's a naked and I love it. It's a bit of a challenge. It's not the most easiest bike to do maintenance on, but guys, you can do it yourself. With my videos, save you a lot of money. I can assure you that. So, now, what are we gonna do? Well, I got a huge to-do list. All kinds of things. A new rear tire, a new front sprocket, oil change, air filter change, brake fluid change. There is a problem with the quick shifter. The quick shifter doesn't work anymore, so I have to figure out what the problem with the damn thing is. It seems that they are slightly buggy, but who knows? Of all the things I make videos, so I have a playlist and it's called Bmw S1000R 2014, if I'm right. I got also a 2016. This is the 2014. Now, today I'm going to show you how to get the rear wheel out and how to change the front sprocket. So I would say, come on over guys, and we start. To take the rear wheel out, we first gonna get this wonderful, what is it, thing out of the way. Oh, oops. It's a long. Yes. Get it out. It looks on this bike absolutely nice. See, you got that aluminium, what is it? Light deck, and it covers that hollow axle a bit, which I like. So, this out of the way. Now let's see, the first thing we're gonna do, Old Mechanic, is loosen the front sprocket. It's tied with 125 Newton meters, so we need some force, and for that you guys need to block the rear wheel. I have my air gun, so it's a piece of cake. So let's move on over there. To take this cover off, that's easy. First thing we have to do is loosen the quick shifter axle. What is it? Axle, I think. That's easy. There's a rubber cap over here. Get it out of the way. Put a Torx onto it. Okay, that's Torx 30. Take the ball out. Okay, this wonderful, so we can reach for that Torx. Now let's see guys. Yes, now we can get to there. Okay, there are 4, if I'm right, 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx. Okay. In a moment, wait a minute, I'm gonna look if these are all the same length. That's not for now. Can't use a magnet. changed them all for stainless steel. This one, wait a minute. There was, guys, also a washer behind it, eh? Okay, and the last one. Yes. Sure, it's all the way out. Otherwise, yes. Now, let's see. Then this a baby. Oh, there is a wire going over here, and it goes. It's this from your side stand. Wonderful. And then over here, yes, up the same length. Where is his brother? For all the, oops, all the same length. Then guys, ouch, then we have this one, yes, this out of the way. It's wonderful something back, yes. So see, out of the way. And over here there is this flat, this locking plate. I'm gonna tap that back. I have a new one. There he goes. It's not that difficult. Okay, I have a bigger one. Flatten it out. Yes. Let's see. Okay. Hop. Okay. 32. Yes, then. Now guys, my compressor is at power. Full speed. I think it's on 8 bar. Hoppakee, there he goes. Now. 125 Newton meters with the right tool. Easy as dealt, flies off. Now guys, next thing I'm gonna do is loosen the locking nut. Okay, is to extend the chain, no, to adjust the chain. Then screw it in as far as I can. It's easy to get the chain off. Oh, now, takes a while, but yeah. Tire now is this is it's Italian, eh? It's the Pirelli Diablo Rosso Corsa 2. Wow. And now we go to the other side. We're gonna loosen the rear axle, get the tire out. But I'm gonna loosen both sides of the brake pads, push them back, because sometimes, like this, there is a ridge over here, a bit, tiny bit. So now, when the axle rolls out, it's more easy. Okay. Yes. Now, the nut on the axle is 34 millimeters, and I need beep. So, then my brake, it's tight with 100 Newton meters, so it's not that difficult to loosen it, I think. There he comes. He's a man eater. Hop. Oh, sorry. Okay. This one. There is this one. Sand over here. I hate sand. Okay. Then let's have a look. Okay. Then guys, what I like to do always is screw this one a bit back onto it. I have a wedge, as they call it, I think. Put a wedge underneath it so it releases the axle. Ow! And I get my rubber hammer. Now it's easy. See? Okay. Okay. Then let's see if I can slide it out by hand. Maybe. Yes. Towel over here. Because I don't want any grease or any sand onto the axle. So I put it on a clean towel. Get this one out. Hop. First we're gonna put the chain out of the way. Is dit eigenlijk? Hij wiebelt, vind ik. Okay. Yes. So, it's a bit more stable now. Yes. Okay. Now, got the chain out of the way. And now we're gonna lower it and roll it over here. We have this washer plate thing on that side. On the other side we have also a spacer. Okay. Carefully and place it nicely over there. Done. Okay. Then guys, let's see. Now, actually, the wheel is out. It's a rubber block. Okay. Some of them came loose. Don't know why. Hoppa. Guys, tire out of the way. As you could see, it's very easy to get the rear wheel out. You need a motor stand, a few tools. But now, we're gonna feel with our fingers at the bearings. The bearings. Rotate them, feel for any imperfections. Yeah, it has to rotate super smooth. Yeah. This one is top. This one, let's feel it. Yep. Perfect. Yes. No problem there.